My results have been tremendous. They've been almost like a family, an employee, an olive branch, however you want to call it. Everything that they put together has been really creative, out of the box stuff that's worked, that's different than anything that we've seen, and that's what we asked for. They're always checking on me. They're always making sure things are working. They're always up for change too. Spare the moment, hey, I don't like this, or this was working good, but I want to go a different way. Or I have these crazy ideas that I'll send to them and have a list, and I'll list 20, 30 different things. Like, I don't know how you're going to make this work, but this is what I want. And they've come back every time, knocked it out of the park. Tremendous. We've been able to double our gross sales just by the amount of stuff they brought in. We've gotten a different customer clientele, then that's what we're looking for than running what we were doing before. We were really bottom of the barrel and stuff like that, and we've been able to get a lot better where we're at. We've also had better relationships with our advertisers and stuff because Three Bridges has been there to take care of us. Sean and Dennis are outstanding guys, and they'll go above and beyond. They always answer the call no matter what, and they'll definitely take care of you.